I am super duper excited to be sharing with you 6 top mistakes when self-publishing on Kindle. I'm Vickie Gould with Easy Writer Tips to help you write your book and grow your biz. You know why I am so geeked about sharing these 6 mistakes with you? Because I know that when you self-publish to Kindle, you're not going to make them. All right, so number 1. You lack a good description. Listen, your book is sold on Amazon by its description and something else we're going to talk about in a second. But your description matters. Please, please, please don't just write 2 little blurts about who you are, because nobody cares about who you are until you can tell them how you're going to help them. So think benefits, 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 benefits. What are they going to get out of reading this book? And put it in the description. Number 2, there is no good look inside. I think I said that a little bit wrong. Let's say there is not enticing content inside the look inside. All right. Number 2, the look inside feature is not enticing. Now, you may not have noticed this if you don't buy a lot of books on Amazon, but when you look at the cover of a book on Amazon, there's a little thing at the top and it says look inside. And it's the look inside feature. And with that, people get to get a sample of about 10 pages of your book. And if it's not enticing, they're not gonna buy. So again, benefits, benefits, benefits. Make it enticing so that they're like, oh my gosh, I need to read this book. It's going to help me with X, Y, Z. The look inside feature should tell them that. Number 3, you do not have an interactive table of contents. Now, people may not realize that you don't have an interactive table of contents until they purchase your ebook. This is something that is going to get you bad reviews. I promise you, somebody out there is going to be annoyed that you don't have an interactive table of contents. And what this does is it allows somebody to open their Kindle, go to your chapter, click on it in the table of contents, and jump to chapter 3 or jump to chapter 8, wherever they want. Because here's the thing, people read their books on different devices. It might be on the computer, might be on their phone, it might be on their iPad, anywhere. And if you're like me and you wear progressives or you need readers, then we increase the font as well. So you never know how many pages people are going to get in one screen view, right? So Kindles actually have what they call locations rather than pages. So you want to have this interactive table of contents so they can jump to exactly where they want to go. Number 4, an unprofessional cover. Now, I'm not saying that you can't have you on the cover. I have me on some of mine, but some people do think that it's better if you have yourself on the cover only if you're super famous. You can decide for yourself. Either way, the cover needs to look good. This is a thing that people are going to see as they're scrolling through the pages of, should I buy this book? Should I not buy this book? It's kind of like social media, right? Scroll, scroll, scroll. Ooh, enticing picture. Let me stop and look. That is the purpose of your cover, to get them to stop and look. Same with the print version. They're going to pull it off their shelf and look at it. This is the first impression. Do not skimp. Do not be cheap. Do not try to do it yourself if you're not good at graphics. Get a professional cover because it is going to help you sell your book. Number 5, being listed in the wrong category. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, the other day I saw somebody launch their relationship and communications self-help book in the wills and estate planning categories. Yeah. If you are in the wrong category and you get to bestseller, it's kind of hard to say, yeah, I have a best-selling book in the wills and estate planning category. Like, it's just weird, right? So pick the right categories to put your book in. Number 6, no author central page. Now, here's the thing about the author central page. It is optional. However, please, 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 please do it, because on your author central page, See, you get your listing on Amazon, and underneath your title and subtitle, it'll say author in little blue letters. When people click on that, they'll see more about you. Now, if you don't have an author central page, people click it and they just kind of get this blank-ish page-ish. But if you have your author central page, guess what you get to put there? Your bio, your website, interesting things about you and your programs, videos that you want to upload, events that you're doing, book signings, and you get to put in your blog links and your podcast links and all sorts of things. And this page is also going to show them all the books that you have. So if you have more than one book, they'll all be listed in one place. So do not skip the author central page. It kind of makes you look like an amateur too, like a newbie when you don't have the author central page. It just gives that extra level of professionalism and a great place for you to promote yourself. You can actually list your website or other freebies and stuff like that. That can take them off the Amazon platform. Here's a big hint. Then you can go and collect their emails and grow your list. Right? Okay, so now you know what to do to make sure that you self-publish and do the right things and don't end up making these mistakes, right? When you publish to Kindle. But you might be wondering now, how do I profit from my book? How do I get past some of my writer's block if you're not quite done yet? And maybe you're like, I just need to finish this book and then I can apply this stuff. Here's what I got for you. I have a free coaching and training section in my membership site for exactly all of this. You can go to bit.ly/Vickie's free stuff to make your free login. And I'd love to hear which mistake was new, or if there was an aha moment or something that you learned today with this video. I'd love to hear that. Leave your comment below and make sure you get access to my free coaching and trainings, right? And one last thing, I want to make sure that you know and you are invited to join me and thousands of other entrepreneurs from all over the world who are growing their businesses in the Write Your Biz Book Facebook group. The link is below in the description as well. We constantly share with each other. I do live coachings and free trainings and things like that on how to write your book, market, how to create content that your audience is going to love about you and then fall all over you and want everything from you. So the link for that is below as well. Please join us in that Write Your Biz Book Facebook group. And if this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the like button so I know to make more videos. You can also hit the bell, ding, so you get notifications of the new videos that I put out. And remember, the most transformational book you read is the one that you write. All right, I'll talk to you later, and until next time, see ya. The EasyWriter Guaranteed Amazon Bestseller Program is open and ready for you. Want in? Get more details and sign up at bit.ly/EasyWriter Program.